Good afternoon, everyone, again. I'm at the Humane Society in Morrison County. And now these are the dogs that are available. This one's name is Raven. And Raven was a public drop-off. Came in on January 22nd. Snooter, 9 months old, and Raven is a female doggy. Now she got quiet all of a sudden. Here's Raven. There's the phone number, 320-632-0701. To call to adopt Raven or any of the other dogs here. Here's a cute little girl, very friendly. And she was a surrender. That's evidently a shop call or a bark call. This is Java. And she was surrendered. She's very friendly. Very pretty dog, very friendly. And looks like she's been pretty well taken care of. Fat and happy. Here's a new little one, but and her name is Bella. And she was a surrender. Bella's only been here for a little while. Surrendered on 31st of January. And she's a Jack Russell, but they tell me that she doesn't like little kids. So whoever gets her, hi. She's scared because she's new in here. But she doesn't like little kids, so if you adopt her, you shouldn't have little kids. And this one, this is Lily. And Lily is 9 years old and 4 months. And she was surrendered. I don't know why they surrendered her, but she's awfully friendly. They have a little heat lamp. Hi, Lily. Hello, Lily. Lily's so friendly. And as you can see, she's fat and happy. Someone's taking very good care of her. She'd make an excellent pet for someone. Lily's such a good dog. And this guy's name right here, he's very friendly too. His name is Fred. Public drop-off. Came in on the 21st of this year. And his neighbor right next door here, I think probably came in with him. Because this guy, Barney, oh Barney. Barney's kind of an old-timer and he looks very friendly. Barney was public drop-off on the same day that his neighbor over here was publicly dropped off. So my guess is that Barney here is companion with this guy, with Fred. Fred and Barney. They want to go home with somebody. Why don't you come and help them get out of here and go to Forever Home? Look at how friendly he is. He's an old timer. He's so nice. Yeah. This is Barney. Barney is so nice. My camera went haywire here. Hold on, folks. There's Barney. Barney's so friendly. And Barney is 5 years old. And this guy, Fred, who I believe is his companion, is 2 years old. So we get a junior and a senior together. And then down here, we have a new guy that was just brought in by somebody. He's a public drop-off too. He just came in. He doesn't even have a name yet. Yeah, he's friendly. He's wagging his tail. So he's here too, waiting to go home, but probably he'll have to be here about 5 days till they can release him. So that's the dogs for today, folks. Barney, oh, good Barney. He's so nice. And Fred, and Lily, and those others I already showed you. They want to go home today. Please come and get them. Again, the phone number, 320-632-0703.